NVIDIA 3060 12GB sold for 12,000 pesos, and that's very respectable for a model that's almost 5 years old. This is Parts for Cash, PC Sunday, where we share stories galing sa second-hand list namin. Makikita mo yung list dito. Kung Hardware Sugar customer ka, you can send us any component at kami na ang mag-aasikaso para mabenta. Lahat inaasikaso namin, marketing, pagsagot sa mga inquiry, technical questions about the item, demoing the item kung kailangan, lahat. Seller bought a new GPU, an Inno3D 5070, that's why he put the 3060 up for sale. Bilis mabenta, listed August 5, sold August 7.
Walang cut, walang kaltas, walang kita ang Hardware Sugar sa second-hand sales. Every cent goes to the seller.
So everyone happy, seller got cash for his old GPU, buyer got a GPU with 12GB of VRAM, everyone is obsessed with VRAM these days. And the shop helped everyone and helped reduce e-waste. See you again next week for another PC Sunday.